Another ACA problem, but this time there's an additional step. It wants to know the Phoria at a different working distance. So for the first part, we're just going to do the same thing. Draw a line, ortho line, divide PD by 1/10 of the working distance. That's 15. So draw that. Okay, this is XO, so we're going to draw 1XP. That's a distance lateral Phoria. Your lateral Phoria is 4XP, so that's also to the right of this line. 4XP. We're going to convert the 4XP into prism diopters. So subtract if it's XO, so 15 minus 4. So this is 11 PD. And then now we're going to find the distance. So from 1XP to ortho is 1. From ortho to 11 is 11. So we're going to do total 11 plus 1 equals 12. Okay, convert working distance to diopters. So 40 100 divided by 40 equals 2.5. So 12 divided by 2.5 is 4.8, and that's our ACA. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the second half. So first, I want you to just erase everything to do with the near Phoria from the previous part. So we'll keep the ACA, but everything else can go. So we'll erase this, we'll erase this, and then on our picture itself, we can get rid of the convergence demand, we can get rid of the Phoria. All I want you to do is leave the distance part. So the ortho reference line and the DLP, that stays the same. Okay. Find new convergence demand using new working distance. So our new working distance is 20 centimeters. So this time we're going to do 60 divided by 1/10 of the working distance, which is 2. So our new convergence demand is 30. So 30. Convert working distance into diopters, then multiply diopters by ACA to get amount of prism diopters converged. So we're going to do 100 divided by 20 centimeters, and that's 5 diopters. So now we're going to do 5 times 4.8 equals, please hold, I have to calculate this. 5 times 4.8 equals, so that equals 24. Okay, so what does that number mean? That is the total amount of prism diopters this patient has converged. So remember, they started at 1 XP, and from there they converged 24. So from 1 XP to ortho, they converged 1, and then they have 23 left to converge. So we know they converge 23 more, and they land right about here because they don't quite reach 30, right? So they only converge 23 when they're supposed to converge 30. So now to figure out the Phoria, we just need to know this line in reference to this line. So basically, what is this space right here? And so if this is 30, if this is 23, then the difference is 7. And since this line is to the right of this line, it's further from the nose, which means it's exo. So the final answer would be 7xp.